Welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at one of our pre-owned boats we have here. This is a 2019 Crownline 255 Surf setup. Taking a look here at the exterior, we have the white, blue, and gray hull color. This boat does come with this painted trailer from Boatmate. And then as we walk down here towards the stern, sea deck right here, we do have a ladder to get in and out of the boat, and the two tabs here for surfing. This is a forward-facing drive, a Volvo V8 300. So plenty of power, great surf setup here. So let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. We're gonna start here on the transom and then make our way into the boat. Right off the bat, again, we have the glue down sea deck right here with the aft facing seating, and then also right here to face forward. Nice entryway into the boat. We do have a freshwater rinse and a little gate here to shut off. Inside the boat, cup holders on either side, and then we have the L-shaped seating and a nice seat on starboard side as well. With the tower, we've got the tower speakers up and the board racks, and this tower does. It's a manual tower and it folds down, so it's great for storage. Walking inside the boat, up here at the captain's chair, we've got a bucket seat with a flip-up bolster. We have the Volvo display screen, so it's gonna help adjust all of your ballast control and shift. And then we've got our standard text right here as well. Tilt steering wheel, this is a 3-spoke steering wheel as well. And then co-captain seating, bucket seat with another flip-up bolster. And then we do have a pump out head on here. So a lot of room down below and a sink as well. All right, so walking into the bow, we do have our door dam right here and a windshield. So this is gonna enclose this space on those early summer mornings when it's still cold in here in Minnesota. And then up in the bow, spacious seating on either side. Got a couple armrests here and then storage below both of these seats. And then I mentioned before that we do have an entryway into the boat off the stern, and then there's also a ladder up here in the bow. Great overall boat here, good for wake surfing, wakeboarding, skiing, all your water sports activities. It's located here in Rogers. Feel free to stop on by, give us a call, or make an appointment. Have a great day.